From the 7 Storm Team, your first alert weather with meteorologist Ben Terry.
Well, there's no guessing where the front's located. All you have to do is look at the temperature map, and if you're in the Texas area this evening, you have seen quite a change. I was looking earlier today, Lubbock, Texas was in the 60s and 70s. Now they're down to 15 degrees. So quite a drop there in temperatures. Abilene 25, 32 in Dallas, and 54. That front is now passing through the Waco and Tyler areas where temperatures have gone from the 70s and into the 40s. So that just gives you an idea of what we're looking at tonight. Once it arrives, we're in the 70s now. We'll be in the 40s when that front moves through, just about a 30-degree drop in temperatures, and that will begin arriving as we head closer to midnight, through about midnight and 3 a.m. That's the timeline of when we are going to be tracking that front arriving. So mid and even upper 70s still, even up toward the Shreveport area this evening, as our radar is showing some light shower activity on 7 Storm Vision HD. It's been mostly just some light sprinkles, some patchy mist and drizzle up through the DeRidder area, back down toward Bancroft and Bivens. And that also extends off toward the east. So pretty much anywhere in southwest Louisiana, we'll see the potential for a passing sprinkle or a little bit of a drizzle if you're going to be out on the town tonight. The severe weather so far has been to our north, and that's really where I expect it to remain through the evening. Thunderstorms prompted tornado warnings earlier. Now some flash flood warnings out for the Jonesboro, Arkansas area, and a big severe thunderstorm watch box issued all the way from just to the south here of Memphis all the way into Kentucky, and even a threat for some tornadoes here as we go toward the evening. For us, though, on the other hand, there will be a line of thunderstorms that roll through as we go toward the evening hours. Those south winds now gusting to 30 will continue. In fact, we have a wind advisory that's in effect through tomorrow afternoon. And then once the front moves through, those winds that are out of the south now will sharply turn out of the north. But through the day on Sunday, 20-25 mile per hour sustained winds will be with us through the day. Here comes the front. Let's track it. That line of thunderstorms will begin arriving, that is, in southwest Louisiana around 10 or 11 p.m. across the northern parishes, midnight to say 2 a.m. here for the Lake Charles area. Once the line moves through, we can expect winds to pick up, maybe some strong thunderstorms, although I think we're fairly marginal in the threat of severe weather here across our area. But we may see a quick quarter to a half inch of rain with that line as it moves through. Of course, we'll be here through the night keeping you updated if anything does turn severe. Of course, the front moves through, sharp drop in temperatures, but rain actually comes to an end likely by sunrise on Sunday. So the rain's not going to stick around too long. Clouds will stick with us through at least the first half of the day tomorrow. And as Futurecast shows here, those rainfall amounts generally between a quarter and a half inch of rain. So our primary weather concerns tonight, while they are very marginal, very low, will be for the potential for some strong wind gusts as the line of thunderstorms moves through ahead of the cold front. And that's generally between about 11 p.m. and 3 a.m. that we'll be tracking that. Of course, it won't take that long to move through. It will take just a brief period of time to move through. In fact, temperatures will already be dropping into the 40s here by 11 p.m. in Fort Polk, while Lake Charles is still in the 70s. And then as we go closer to the overnight hours, once the front moves through, a sharp drop out of the 70s down to 46 by 2 a.m. And it actually continues to drop with temperatures in the upper 30s and low 40s through most of the day on Sunday. So as you're heading out for our church services tomorrow morning, temperatures will actually still be in the process of dropping through the morning and on into the afternoon. It's the wind chill forecast that's going to get us, though, as we go into early Monday morning. Wind chills in the 30s all day tomorrow by 10 a.m. Look at that, a wind chill of 29, and not really getting out of the 30s for that feels-like temperature on Sunday. But when you wake up on Monday morning, there will be some areas that feel like the upper teens, and that's why it's very important there to make sure you keep those pets and folks who don't have access to warm heat. Make sure you check on those folks, especially as we go over the next couple of days. That coldest core of air begins to work out of our area through the middle of the week. In fact, we pull in some milder temperatures by Wednesday, but it's going to be cold all day Monday and Tuesday, as we'll have, of course, the temperatures at night down into the 40s. But look at highs for tomorrow, 46 there, as we'll have the possibility of, a likelihood of freezing temperatures Sunday night, upper 20s, low 30s. And, of course, Monday, not much warmer there, low to mid 40s for afternoon highs. And then on Tuesday, bring some sunshine back in and 60s back on Wednesday. So the coldest blast of the season. I hope you're ready for it, because if you're out there now, you would have no clue that we're about to go from the 70s into the 40s in just a matter of a few hours.
Be ready for it, right?
That's right.